To get a TradingView API key, follow these steps. First, create a TradingView account if you do not already have one. Go to the TradingView website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill out the registration form with your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent by TradingView. Once you have a verified account, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the TradingView website. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Account option. Then scroll down to the API Keys section. In the API Keys section, click on the Create API Key button. You will then be prompted to enter a label for your API key, which can be any name that helps you identify the key. Enter a label and click on the Create API Key button. Your API key will then be displayed on the screen. Copy and save your API key in a secure location, such as a password manager or a secure note-taking app. Be sure to keep your API key private, as it grants access to your TradingView account. If you need to revoke an API key, you can do so by clicking on the Revoke button next to the key in the API Keys section. When using your API key, make sure to follow best practices, such as only using the key for its intended purpose and never sharing it with anyone. You can use your API key to access TradingView data, such as real-time market data and historical price data, and to automate trading strategies using programming languages like Python or JavaScript. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely obtain and use a TradingView API key to enhance your trading experience and stay up to date with market trends. Remember to always keep your API key private and use it responsibly to avoid any potential security risks.